Now, the West Indies could break a run of 9 straight one-day international series defeats to India on Wednesday when both teams meet in the second of 3 ODIs with the Caribbean side leading 1-0. Ronaldo Brown has our preview.
2006 was the last time the West Indies won a one-day international series against India. The run marks 9 straight series where the Caribbean side failed to overcome the world number 2 ranked Indians and a wait of 17 years since their last series win on the road. But despite those daunting statistics, Windies batsman Sheikh Hope says the team is fully focused on winning the series, even with the Indian Premier League 2020 draft a likely distraction.
Came here to play a series against India and to win a series against India, so whatever comes secondary, that's, as I say, secondary. So I'm sure some of the guys will be looking forward to that option, but we have the Indian series to play, and that's the main thing right now.
Hope, who scored an unbeaten 102 at a pedestrian rate of 67 runs per 100 balls in the Windies' 8-wicket win on Sunday, says he's ready to change his game if required on Wednesday.
I think I'm pacing my innings to the team's requirement. Said we only had to chase 280, and the rate that we were going, as I said, we have to make sure everyone's on the same page. And my role there was to stay at one end and make sure we knock it down on the bowlers, don't give them any wickets. And it's just about playing what the team requires, and that's my role in the team. If the case where they want me to step it up, I can do that. So it's just about playing what the team's required.
Wednesday's game bowls off at 3:30 a.m. Jamaica time. Ronaldo Brown for TVJ Sports.